What's up, family? Swing Trader Tone here. Today is day 400 of trading, day 400. And what do we have today? Today's gain, $382.05. Total assets, $12,459.06. Options account went up 125 bucks. Shares account went up $257.05. And I have 133 in the checking, which I may use some of that tomorrow. So the total assets might be a little bit low just on the strength of that. But let's take a look at the options account. My options, even though TTD is down today, it still gave me $15 on the $100 strike price, gave me $20 on the $80 strike price, and Beyond gave me 90 bucks today. And that's what makes up that 125. Still red overall, but hey, heading in the right direction. Shares account, UNHG gave me $132 today. TSLL gave me $125.05. Also still in the red. Um, let's take a look at the charts. Tesla going in the right direction. I got my speed line at the 4 hour chart. And, most likely will come up. It did tap the 200 EMA, came down. So speed line held support. So it should start bouncing up, waiting for this 20 and the 50 and the 10 to cross. Show you my 10 EMA, my 50 EMA. So the 10 is about to cross the 20. When that 20 crosses the 50, it'll also push up. And 50 cross the 200, definitely start moving. So that's where we're at with Tesla. So we're just basically just trying to break this downtrend right here. Extended some, touch those. And looks like, we are trying to break it. Now it's just trying to confirm that it's going to the upside. So hopefully this will hold and it'll push it on up. All right. UNH, pretty much the same thing. Obviously waiting for this gap to close. And this is the beauty about being a target trader. I'm not playing short-term options, so I'm not really worried about the consolidation and my option is going to expire. I'm playing leaps, a year or more out, and then shares. Don't have to worry about the time decay. You've heard me talk about it before. So a lot of people, if they have options and they're waiting for this gap to close and they have options, they're like, oh, I thought it would close by, March, or they're sweating because they're like, okay, I might have my expiration at April 17th. It's taking its time, taking its time. Me, I got shares. So when it does, it does. I'll take my profits and get up out of there. Mhm. So once again, the beauty of swing trading and just trading shares, you don't make as much on the shares, but you a lot less stressful. Um, the leaps, you can still make a ton of money, especially if it hits its target before, shoot, 3 months left in the expiration or 4 months left in the expiration, 2 months left in the expiration. You have your intrinsic value and you have your extrinsic value, which is the time that you have left on the option. Can't beat it. Can't beat it with a bet. It's just less stressful. All right. TTD. Once again, I'm not sure the TTD went down, but gave me some profit today. I'll take it. However their math is math, and I'll take it. Um, this could even come down some and hold, but that 50 EMA is going to act like a little bit of a resistance, but my 20 EMA is holding that support. So looking forward to maybe bounce off of this and, curl back up. And it is trying to curl down. The 10 EMA is trying to curl down into the 20. We are high. The MACD is curling down. RSI relatively high, so it may kind of try to dip down a little bit. But there's a little support right here too, so it may bounce. We'll see. All right, I'll keep you posted, let you know what happens tomorrow. But as far as right now, we're Green Day, just like the band. Today's gain, $382.05. Total assets, $12,459.06. All right, keep you posted, let you know what happens tomorrow. One love.